All right, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good evening, all. Okay, welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns Jamb, admission, WAEC, NICO, and finally school updates. Okay, so if you're a Jamb candidate, please I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notification because we'll be uploading videos on daily basis. Okay, so that whenever we upload any amazing updates, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. Okay, because as long as you're an university aspirant, you need updates. Okay, so that's why we are here to upload videos or updates or content that concerns schools for you. All right, so that you don't miss it out. Okay, so please, if you know you're among the people that sat for the just concluded UTME examination and you do not do well, you do not actually do well, and you know you do not do well, and you have been writing down for a very long time, and you don't want to write again in 2025. Okay, so I want to let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community, and I'll be right here to add you on our WhatsApp community. There, if you tell me all your problem, I'm going to be of help to you. All right, so having said that, the next thing, we'll have a WhatsApp community that is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Okay, that's well, for our 2024 UTME candidate. However, you yourself, you can become a member. What you want to do is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, so you join us on the comment section, or you let me know in the comment section. I'll be ready to give you my contact. All right, so you message me on WhatsApp. All right, then I will have to, after getting to know you, I will add you to our WhatsApp group. Okay, lastly, there in our WhatsApp group, you'll be getting you'll be getting WAEC questions and answers free of charge, NICO questions and answers free of charge, updated schools post-UTME past questions. All right, and you can still interact with your fellow aspirants in the group, and we have a WhatsApp learning center where you can learn. All right, so that's for that. Okay, if you know you will be among the people, the admitted candidates this year in 2024. All right, so next year we are going to launch a program. That program we are going to launch will help our candidate financially. All right, it is going to help our candidate financially, and so that, because it is not every of our candidates, maybe it is not everybody that the money their parents will be giving to them will be enough. All right, so that's why we'll launch our program, and when we launch our program, it will help a lot of our candidates financially. It is basically for our registered candidates. So when you message me on WhatsApp, you are going to join us, and when you join us, when we launch the program next year, you have to definitely have to be getting some cash from there to help yourself finance your school also. All right, so if that interests you, you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section. All right, that you want to join us. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, very very important, please don't forget. All right, so if you also have any other thing you want me to do for you, also don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. All right, so today we are going to talk about, if you check out, you see that the topic of today is Taraba State University. We're going to talk about Taraba State University. Okay, so after they just concluded UTME examination, some students came to me and were asking me the next thing to do after they concluded UTME examination. And of course, I told them that the next thing to do after the examination is post UTME examination. That's the next thing that awaits them after the examination, is post UTME examination. All right, so it is important for some ask, when is the form going to be out, and how are we going to get the form, and yeah, so, and how we also going to know that the form is out. So once the form is out, that's why I said you should subscribe and turn on bell notifications, so that once the form is out, I will notify you that I will notify my channel that the form is out. So the people that is already on my WhatsApp group will also be notified that the form is out, and you don't need to be panic about where to get the form from. We can still process the form for you. Then after getting the form for you, we'll message or we'll document everything and forward to you. Okay, so that you don't go through any stress of anything. All right, so that's basically what we can do for you. All right, so yeah, so I believe I have answered this question, and this is where we're ending this video today. So if you have any other further question, let me know in the comment section. All right, I love you guys. Don't forget that I love each and every member of Brainybite. Okay, keep winning.